Okay, so I've been hearing strange noise, it's like a weird knocking on wood type sound. Well, lower than that, but I'm not sure what they're coming from. I've been hearing from them for the past couple days, and like 4 or 5 days or so, and like last night I woke up at 3:41 and they're really loud, even though my parents couldn't hear them or whatever. So I want to see if we can try and hear them. I'm just gonna try something. Is anyone there? You guys heard that right? Oh yeah, that like weird ticking sound is just my stove over there. Can you make the sound again so we can clarify that you're here? Okay, that one's really loud. Okay, well, I'm gonna try and upload. My dog is freaking out. I'm gonna try and upload more often, just so I can keep you guys an update. And yeah, bye.